Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. Now, battery draining is one of the issue that everyone hates, and many people face this issue on their iPhone. No matter what iOS version you are using. Now, over here there are different devices. It is running 26.6, 27, and 26.5.2, and many people are saying that battery draining is happening a lot, especially on the 26.5.2. Now, in usage mode, everything is really fine, but battery draining is one of the really annoying issue. Like if you are using your device throughout the day and you are facing battery draining, what is the point of having a good iPhone? In today's video, I'm gonna share how you can fix the battery draining issues and how you can improve the overall performance of your device. Now, first of all, if I get into the settings over here and share the stats with you guys by going into the battery section, like if I go over here into the battery, and also if I go over here into the battery section, let me share the battery stats over here. From here, like as you can see, I'm using my phones a lot. I have to use the 84% of my device. Over here it is around 28%, and over here it is a very different story. For example, if I go over here on maybe this day, it was 65% usage and 4 hours and 42 minutes screen on time. Not that good, just okay. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is not good. Like over here I didn't even use my phone properly, but still 11% drop, like 11% drop without touching my phone. That is the battery draining, and that is really disappointing. So we're gonna fix the battery draining with this really good software. Now let's get to my computer screen. Okay guys, so we are on the website. As you can see, this is AnyFix iOS system repair, and wow, it's also support iOS 27 and iPadOS 27. And this software will allow you to fix a lot of different issues. As you can see, you can fix 150 plus issues. And if you go over here in this section, you can see which issues you can fix. If it is in a boot loop, it is a disabled screen, frozen screen, stuck on the Apple logo, stuck in the headphone mode, whatever, it can fix all those issues, and this is what we are dealing with. It can also help to solve the battery draining issue too. So this is where we are, gonna try this out. And it is also available for Windows and Mac, and if you are on a Windows, it will detect automatically and download the Windows software, or if you're on a Mac, it will detect that and download that automatically. Now once you have done a downloading, now it's time to go to the AnyFix. And this is how the software looks like. A very neat, clean design. As you can see, very simple design over here. There are basic things. You can go for the system repair, upgrade, downgrade, reset your device, iTunes repair, some other tools available in the toolbox, as you can see. So you can also use these tools. Really cool. Go back from here, and you can also enter or exit a recovery mode on your iPhone. And now it's time to connect my iPhone. Okay, so my device is connected, and as you can see, my device is connected over here. It is showing my iPhone is connected, and if I go over here, as you can see, there are many different issues available that you can solve. And since our focus is to fix the battery drain, so I'm gonna choose device bug, and over here I will find iPhone battery drain, as you can see. So it is gonna fix this issue. So for once I do that, I can do next from here. And I have three different options available. That is a standard repair, advanced repair, or ultimate repair. You can choose whatever you want. It give the details. It will erase your data and support complex system issues, and it's gonna completely erase your data and reset everything for you. And for example, I'm going to go for the standard repair over here. I will go over here, and it is verifying my firmware. Now it's going to start downloading my firmware from here. And as you can see, it is going to install a fresh firmware directly from the server to my device, and that is going to fix many different sort of issues. And definitely this is going to take some time, so I'm going to wait for it. So using this software is very simple, very easy. Not only about battery drain, there are many other stuff available. As you can see, you can repair your iTunes issue, you can upgrade or even downgrade if you want to do that. It is AnyFix iOS system recovery, and links are given in the description. So I think you should try this out. Once you follow these steps, it is important to give your iOS 2 to 3 days because of indexing and other stuff. And after that, you will see a drastic change in the battery life. You will see how it is gonna fix the battery draining issue for you guys. So yeah, go and try this one out. Again, the links are given in the description. If you have any query, you want to know anything, let me in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace out.